Alright guys, today I've got the 12 Labs SpeedoDRD, and I've had this thing for a while now. Really need to get it installed so I can fix my speedometer on here. So this is all the different bikes that this one's for, and that's the code there. So hopefully get this thing installed, get my speedo fixed up, and should be good to go. Alright, so from the right side of the bike over here, you can see right in there that blue plug with tape around it. It's kind of hard to see, but that's it, right back there. So that's it from this side, but the connector connects on the other side. So I pulled this cover off, pulled this kind of section of wires out, and you can actually see it up in here now. So that's it right there. That's the one right there. So that plug, I'm gonna try to get it undone without unhooking anything here, and see if I can just pull it off. We'll see. Okay, so that was actually pretty easy. All I had to do is reach in with a screwdriver and push down on this little piece right here that moves, and then I just reached under and pulled on the wire, and it popped right out of that little socket there. So that's a good shot right there. So yeah, I pulled right out of there. All right, so this is the 12 Labs piece right here, and I put it in here because with one bolt I can just pull the side cover off. Check it out. This is your factory plug, and then I've plugged on the harness here. This goes on the factory plug in there. Now if you want to make sure that this is the right plug, leave this off, turn your switch to on, it'll come up as 0 on the speedo. Roll the bike back and forth a few times, and if it stays on 0, you've hit the right thing. If the speedo comes up and registers something, then you've unplugged the wrong thing. So you don't want to start the bike, just flip it to on, leave the switch off, or off of run, and then go with it. So now I just gotta get this plugged on. Okay, I was able to get the plug back on in here, and worked out pretty good. So that's it right there, and it went right back on. I was able to kind of push it on with a screwdriver, just get it lined up, and then click, went in, and that's the wire. Tucked back in there, and then the 12 Labs piece right there. Get my wire fit back in here. Good to go. All right, let's try to see what this thing will do. All right, so I'm gonna turn the switch on. This is off right now. So you see this on, there's a green light, and that's it. So then to make sure that we've done good, we can just roll the bike back and forth. And you see there, we are getting some speedo reading. All right guys, in order to do a master reset on here, you wanna hold the button down and then flip your switch on, okay? So we do that, and now we're gonna let it cycle through green, red, orange, let go on orange. That's flashing through. And hold it down, let it flash 5 times. And there we go. Now we're actually into the setup. So what we're gonna do is I need to go -25. So I'm gonna do green, red for negative. Green is positive, red's negative. And then it's 3 digits with a decimal point at the end. So the first one would be 1, 2, there's my 2. The 5 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last number is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And then we let go, and then it's gonna go, okay, orange, it's saved, and that's it. That's all there is to it. So whatever your number is, and you base that off of your calculation here. So if you're using a GPS, then you've got your setup here. So like if your GPS reads 5 miles per hour or slower, and the bike's reading 60 there, 55 and 60, 55 divided by 60 times 100 minus 100 would give you negative 8.3. So mine was negative 25 because I'm trying to get mine fixed. So pretty easy setup, and there's a lot of other videos about the different things they can do and stuff like that. So pretty neat. Right, got the